Hi friends, welcome back to PSC Collegiate English. Today let us look at Mac Flecknoe. This was written by Dryden. Mac Flecknoe is one of the four major satires written by Dryden. The target of Dryden in writing this mock epic was Thomas Shadwell. Now Thomas Shadwell was a writer who wrote Comedy of Humours. The entire poem is 218 lines long and it is written in iambic pentameter. It was written in 1682. The full title of Mac Flecknoe is A Satire on the True Blue Protestant T.S. or Thomas Shadwell. Here he compares Shadwell to Ascanius, who is the son of Aeneas, and he has built the city of Rome. Just like Ascanius was the descendant of Aeneas, Dryden says that Thomas Shadwell is going to be the crowned prince or the king of the kingdom of dullness. Okay, and in order to explain or explicit this point, he mentions that 12 owls left from the place. 12 owls flew away when the coronation ceremony was taking place. That is similar to Romulus's observation of 12 vultures. Dryden uses the symbol of owls to show that owls stand for wisdom. When the prince is crowned, when the prince of dullness becomes the king of dullness, wisdom leaves the place. This is the irony that Dryden wants to portray through this scene of 12 owls leaving the place when actually the coronation ceremony is taking place. The coronation ceremony is attended by characters like Dominant, Cully, Fopling Cockwood. These are the characters of Thomas Shadwell. These characters were actually written by him, made by him. T.S. Eliot wrote, I quote, applies vocabulary, images and ceremony which arouses epic association of grandeur to make enemy helplessly ridiculous. This was the purpose with which Dryden wrote Mac Flecknoe in order to mock T.S. Shadwell. Dryden makes reference to Shadwell's works like The Virtuoso and to Psyche. And here are some expressions which give us the detailed sense of mockery. I quote, scattered limbs of mangled poets and filial dullness that was surrounding the place when the coronation was actually taking place. Okay, there is also mention of Prophet Elijah's mantle fell on Elisha. That is a biblical reference because after the coronation or handing over of the kingdom, this is what happened in the Bible. Whereas here what happens, the king Flecknoe, he actually falls down from the stage after coronating Thomas Shadwell as the king of dullness. After the coronation, what happens? King Flecknoe actually he just fell down from the stage, whereas that is compared to Prophet Elijah's mantle falling on Elisha. Okay, and there are also references to Arion, Ascanius, John Singleton, Maximus, who was the hero of Dryden's Tyrannic Love, Sir Charles Sedley, who wrote Prologue to Epsom Wells, Thomas Dekker, Sir George Etheridge, and Villernius, who wrote The Siege of Rhodes. Thank you.